Hi, this is Rida and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we create a free menu, free header in Elementor for free. Okay, so let's start. Go on pages, edit your go to your Elementor. So you can see in previous video we create this one for free, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create footer for free. So go here, go in sections, and here you will find a header. For example, you'll see this one. Okay, this one is not header, so find some header. Okay, go in category and look for footer. Okay, you can see a footer option shown here, and from here you can find a lot of free footer. Okay, so I'm gonna select this one. You can see there's about option, company, working hours, and some pictures. Okay, this one is premium, so don't worry, we can choose another one. Okay, you can see this one is also good, so I'm gonna insert this one. You can choose or select according to your choice. For example, this one, so this have the picture, so you can't add this one. Okay, you can see this one. I'm gonna insert this one. Scroll down, and from here you can see uh, footer is appear here. Okay, a footer is appear here. Okay, by clicking on that, okay, by clicking here you can add your logo from here. Okay, and you can change the logo size according to your choice. Okay, you can also add a link here, and by clicking here you can add the text according to your, of course, website. And by clicking here, these are the social icons. By clicking here you can add more item if you want, and if you want to delete anyone you can delete. And by clicking here you can add the icons. By clicking here you can choose the icon from here. This plugin or this Elementor is also provide you some free icons. Okay, and you can see a link option here. Paste your link of your Facebook here. For example, go to your Facebook page. Okay, when you go on your Facebook page, uh, copy the URL by Control C and just paste here. Okay, like that. Okay, so it will be work, of course. And next, go here and you see some useful links option over here. When you click on here you can add more according to your choice. For example, if you want to add the for item, that is add your list title here. For example, you want to add here some like about us. Okay, you want to add the about us. This one you can see. Okay, you can you have first right here, and then select post page from here that you create. Okay, and you will see now is created here. You can delete or you can add more as you want. Okay, the next one is if you want to add anything here you can also add here, and here you can write whatever you want, and from here uh, you can see some automatic uh, some email section is created here. You can create according to your choice. Okay, and if you want to add anything more here, you can also add. Okay, you can see some social icon button and some more messages styles and it's already created here. You can also change the color and headings by clicking here. For example, if you want to do this h1, you can also do it h1. Okay, so after when you do that, click on update. When it's updated, click on preview and you can look how your footer, you can see now your footer has we link our Facebook page. As you can see, it's go on Facebook page. Okay, so how it's linked to your Facebook page, and these are the links. As you can see, I link an about us page, and you will see now how I'm now on my about us page. Okay, so how this is how you can add some links, or you can add some text and social icons, your logo and whatever, and here you have to enter and click on this. Because this one is an API key, if you want to know how to use this, let me know in comment. I will help you. I will create a video for this. So you can also change these one things. Okay, from here you can write here whatever you want to write. Okay, and when clicking here you can also write whatever you want to write here. Okay, and if you don't want this, you can delete all this one. Okay, no issue. Okay, if you want to delete this one section by clicking here, you can delete this whole section, and if you want to create any new one, you can create by clicking here. Okay, so if you just want to write one heading here, just uh, push here and you can write whatever you want, like all private copyrights are reserved. Okay, uh, you can change their size. Okay, and if you want to in alignment center, it will be in center, and if you want to change the color, you can go in style and you can change the color whatever color you want. Okay, for example this one, and click on update. Refresh this, and now you can see it looks like now. If you want to give them a background color, you can also give them a background color by going in advanced, go in background. Okay, okay, you can give give it a color by clicking here. You can see. Okay, you can give him any color, what color you want. Okay, it will be showing two colors, but you can change the color like whatever you want, and click on update. Refresh. Now you can see the background is color shown. You can change of course according to your choice. Okay, so I hope from this video you know how to add a footer for free in Elementor. Okay, so I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.